Unit 9, Mixed Review. Number 5, the points on the grid represent values for y equals x plus 2. Which ordered pairs represent other points on the graph for this equation? So, two important things here. We've got our equation, which is y equals x plus 2, and then we already have some of the points. And we know from class that anytime we graph our additive or multiplicative patterns, it's always a straight line. And so if I connect these with a straight line, then that should go through any point that goes along with this. Now be careful just depending on the line, because you may have not quite gone straight. We're not perfect. So use the math as well to check it. So remember, we can turn this equation around and say if y equals x plus 2, then x plus 2 equals y. And then, of course, remember that our ordered pairs, like the ones in the answer choices, are x, y. So we want to take the x number, the first number, add 2, and get the y number. So answer choice A, 5, 3. Is 5 plus 2 equal to 3? No, definitely not. So A is out. B, is 0 plus 2 equal to 2? Yeah, sounds good. And I can double check on my graph. Is 0, 2 close to my line? Well, run to 0, jump to 2. That would be right here. And so, yep, that looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and check that one. 4, 8. So is 4 plus 2 equal to 8? Definitely not. Plus, if I looked on my graph, run to 4, jump to 8, that'd be way up here. It would not be anywhere close to my line. And so C is not correct. D, 5, 7. So is 5 plus 2 equal to 7? Yes, and it would be right here on my line. And E, is 2 plus 2 equal to 5? No, and 2, 5 is up here away from my line. So E is out. Correct answers B and D.